My name is James Danks. I'm the executive steward or kitchen manager at Mohonk Mountain House, and I've been here 9 years. My job is pretty much all things kitchen related. So that could be running a banquet with the chefs, could be taking on various cleaning responsibilities. It's managing the dishwashers and utility department, working with the chefs and cooks for many of the different operations we have within food and beverage. It's really a very diverse job. I do a lot of things within a day. Mohonk is a great place to start your career. There's a lot of room to grow. It's a high energy, fast paced, adrenaline-filled line of work. And as far as challenges, it could be any operational challenges, such as getting the food out in time or getting things set up for a banquet or wedding. It could be a machinery or equipment breakdown in the middle of service. Really, every single day is different. That's what I like about the job, is every single day there's something new. One of the funny things about Mohonk is that we're here so often, but then we tend to come up here on our days off as well. We really have a lot of employee benefits around the grounds. We can go swimming in the lake, we can go hiking. It's fun to bring your friends and family up here. Mohonk is such a big part of my life. It's a huge part of the area as well. It's one of the largest employers in the Hudson Valley, and almost anyone you talk to in the tri-state area is familiar with Mohonk or has been here or knows someone. So it's really a really central part of my life and a lot of people's lives as well.